everyone. Today we will practice some yoga. It have a small waist and help us have a more big bust. Now let's do together with me. Stand in front of your mat. We do sun salutation 2 to 4 rounds to warm up. Slowly inhale, lengthening your hand and bend back. Exhale, forward fold. Step the left leg back. Right leg back. Go to flank. Knee down. Chest chin down. Cobra. And exhale, go with downward dog. Step the left leg back between the two hands. Right leg back. Forward fold. And slowly inhale. Raise your hand up. Look up. Over the head. And prayer posture. From here, we do 2 more rounds. Inhale. Raise your hand up. Lengthening your two sides and slowly bend back. Exhale, forward fold. Try to straighten your spine. Step the right leg back. Left leg back. Go to flank. Knee down. Chest chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Now step the right leg back. Left leg back. Forward fold. Inhale, slowly raise your hand up. Look up. Bend back. Prayer posture. Now we do last round for sun salutation. Slowly inhale. Raise your hand up. Look up over the head. Exhale, forward fold. Step the left leg back. Right leg back. Flank. Knee down. Chest chin down. Cobra. And downward dog. Inhale. Step the right leg back. Left leg back. Forward fold. And slowly inhale. Bring your hand up. Look up over the head. And prayer posture. Now you observe your breathing. Stay here for a few seconds. And we will go with the make small the weight and change your big bust. Now, just bring your feet apart. Gently squat down. You can bring like this. Tuck in your core. Squat down. The same chair pose like this. Bend, bend, and bring your hand over the head. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly straighten. Straighten your hand. And if you feel too much pressure, you can bring your body in front and tuck in your core. From here, you can see, you can adjust yourself. From here, if you feel your hunting back, you need to find the way. Try to lengthening your back and tuck in your core more. You can put your weight more in front of the toe, but you feel, I'm not balanced. Never mind, you can use one hand to support in front. Try to lengthening, look up, and your spine will straighten. And slowly forward fold here. If you feel you can drop your elbow down. And enjoy the deep stretching here. If you feel too much, push your body back. Just don't force yourself. Just enjoy deep stretching here. You feel the core tuck in can already, but don't hunting as it. Try to press your spine down. But when you try to bend it, always hunting. So bend your leg a bit, straighten your spine first. After straighten, and slowly straighten your leg. So your spine will straighten more. Yes, beautiful. Just stay here for a few more seconds. And slowly inhale. If you feel you cannot touch on the floor, you just hold it here. Or hold here is okay. And look up. Try to straighten your spine. And slowly bring your body back. From here, again, we go with the downward dog. Press your heel down. So you feel we change our belly, flat belly. Yes. Press down more and relax. Bend your right knee, left knee to straighten. Enjoying the stretching here. And from here, we bring steps the right foot outside of the two hands. And from here, we see we can turn your left leg, left toe 45 degrees. And from here, the heel, right heel and right knee in 90 degrees. Stay firmly and strongly. Tuck in your core. You can see from here we change our back. Tuck in your core. Yes. Wow. You feel so much challenging here. Tuck in your core from here. Sink lower down more. Yes. Try to square your hip. And from here, you can inhale, raise your hand up. Look up. And stay here for 5 count. 1, 2. You can bend back. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly drop your hand down. And you can drop your left knee if you feel too much challenging. If you still can, you straighten your left leg. If you feel too much, I cannot take it, drop your left knee down. Yes, and from here, we put your body lower down. Try to put 2 elbows down. We change your right thigh more this area. Yes. And if you feel too much stretching, you always can put your body up like this. And if you not enough, you always can straighten your left leg. If you feel too much, drop it down. Yes. And if you feel the handshake not enough, drop the elbow down. To enjoy the deep stretching here. Or if you want more, some little more spicy and more stronger the core, you can bring your right hand over and bring the left hand straighten and look in front. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly drop your hand in the ground and slowly bring your right hand, put your right thigh, put to the right side and look back. You feel deep stretching in the right side of your leg, your thigh and your back. Enjoy the stretching here. Stay here, look over the right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, we can slowly drop, walk your hand outside and your leg more to the left side and go to present posture. And try to square your hip. You feel from the back so much stretching. And you feel too much, you can put your hands support. And if you feel, oh, I want more deep stretching, you can drop your elbow down. Try to straighten your spine, and if you feel not enough, you always can straighten more your hand. Yes. If you want more challenging for yourself, you can bring, and this also together, change your weight, bring your elbow, left elbow to the right knee and go to prayer posture and look up the ceiling. From this twist, you feel so much challenging and you so enjoy it. Stay here for 5 seconds. If you can, if you feel too much, you always coming back to a posture you feel comfortable. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, release your hand. And slowly from here, with the support of your hand, go gently walk your right foot more in front and straighten your right foot. And slowly straighten your spine and slowly forward foot. Stay here for a few more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release and sit back in your heel. Feel the difference between the two sides, the right leg and the left leg. Now, since we do the right leg already, right, we have to do the left leg. And with the simple stretching, we can make our waist small, the butt bigger, and you feel so relaxed for your butt, your hip opening. Now, same, we go with the downward dog. Try to press the heel down more. And from here, step the left foot beside your hand. And from here, slowly bend your left leg, heel, and the knee need to 90 degrees. From here, the right leg try to straighten and point your toe 45 degrees. And here, when we stay firm knee and strong knee, slowly inhale, raise your hand up, look up over the head and bend back. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, try to square your hip, tuck in your core. Yes, beautiful. 1, 2, sink lower down if you can. Try to square here firmly. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, drop your hand down. And from here, if you feel too much, you always can drop your right knee down. If you feel more stretching and challenging for yourself, you straighten your right leg. Yes. And slowly from here, you can untuck your right toe and use your left hand, put your left knee and look over the left side. Enjoy the deep stretching here. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, you can close your eyes. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly. From here, if you feel you want more stretching in the left thigh, drop your 2 elbows down. Yes. Try to straighten your back, don't hunting. If you feel you put like this to hunting, you just put like this. Yes. And for more little spicy, you can drop your elbow down, straighten, enjoy the stretching. Enjoy the stretching, or else you can bring your left hand to over the left leg and straighten and look up. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Push your right hand down, left hand down, and slowly walk your left foot to the right side. Go to present pose. Try to square your hip. Feel the stretching between your thighs. And slowly from here, if you feel one more deep stretching, drop your elbow down. If you feel not enough, straighten your hand. If you feel still not enough for you, you can challenge yourself. Bring your right elbow to the right knee and make a twist. Prayer posture. You feel so deep press is between the left thigh and the right shoulder. Yes, it's so nice to enjoy the deep stretching. If you feel too much, that bring your body back the normal. If you feel you like this stretching, just stay here with me. 5 more seconds. 1, look up the ceiling, or you can close your eye, enjoy the stretching. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, press your body up, and slowly straighten, walk your left foot more in front, and sit back your right heel. Try to lengthening your spine. Don't hunting your back, lengthening your spine. And slowly from here, point the toe. And slowly exhale forward fold. Try to tuck in your core more, lengthening more your spine. Yes. And forward fold. Slowly from here, just stay here for a few more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Sit between your heels, or you always can open wider your 2 heels. Go with the child pose. Slowly bring your chest to the mat. Then enjoy the long stretching. Don't raise your hip up. Sit your hip on the heel and lengthening your body. Walk your fingertip more in front so you feel deep stretching here. Yes. Just stay here for a few more seconds. 1. You can close your eyes. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly walk your hand back. Sit in the diamond pose. Namaste everyone. Just you see, with only simple practice and with few stretching, we have a good body and good stretching, have a good health. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me. See you in next video.